Greetings people, person with glasses here because I get vision impairment and today this camera works again. We're going to talk about MeMusic, that is hashtag AudioFi built on BSD20 and Solana. The idea is, as they say in the description, listen to earn, stream to earn, something that combines the audio aspect of life with finance. We got GameFi, so you can play games that make some money. We got DeFi, so you can decentralize everything and make some money. And now we got things that are focused on music to make some money. They also have an ongoing giveaway over here that I will have linked down below in the description as well as the pinned comment, so you can at least learn about the project, maybe participate and win some. It's free after all. And their notes are also already available for purchase, 499 USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. I will show you later in the video how to purchase the note. The token is going to go live next month, so until then we can already accumulate everything in here. And usually the earlier you get into projects and accumulate their tokens with notes, you not just get to buy things at a fair price early on, but also can profit quite a lot once the token launches. Keep in mind, it's pure speculation, so we will see how much this one actually makes once we know the confirmed price in here. But now let me tell you about the project. So what do? They want to focus on helping content creators diversify their revenue streams while resolving the challenges that streaming service providers or other content platforms face. For that, they're going to have stations. Their approach to mass adoption in the Web3 space, kind of like a broadcast station or radio station, so you as a content creator can monetize your content. Waves, which includes all the different steps that you have to partake in order to establish your presence, and then also streaming, which will be the final option in here. The main idea is also, if you are a creator and let's say you make music, in the market overall, you get about 10 to 12% of your actual money, and other companies or websites keep the rest. From record labels, the industry, all of that, they want to have a cut of your revenue. For example, on YouTube, if I would make $10 per video, YouTube makes 22. You only get 45% of the ad revenue. And with crypto, NFTs and all of that, they can all be changed so that the creator gets all the revenue. For MeMusic, they want to have the blockchain-based royalty distribution, payouts favored for the artists with royalty-bearing NFTs and cross-platform streaming, as well as a stream-to-earn feature. Basically, all the words on the left-hand side, they want to have all of that available because all the other providers combined don't have that. Meaning we see the issue and we see the upsides of certain service providers, take them, put them into one project, and then offer the user all the benefits. The exact details in here are going to be in the white paper / document. I will have that linked down below as well if you want to read about this step by step. But here's the important part for all of us that like to put stuff into crypto. That is listen to earn. They say roughly 500 million people streamed music back in the first quarter of 2021. And now that can be combined with a financial aspect, so you would earn token, generate them while actively using the app. So as a user, you will get the token in order to exercise votes, and that token can also be used to trade for artist tokens or NFTs, which would be spread out in the following way: 10% for the team, 40% for streaming and mining, and 25% for the 3 different rounds of sales. They're also using Filecoin for their virtual storage, plan to fully implement order nodes over here as well, while also being able to use any of the other chains available, so you're not forced to use simply one. What I'm personally the most interested in from a user's point of view is, well, not just listening to music, but also the station nodes that they have, because nodes mean you get tokens for pretty much doing not that much. Usually you buy it and then you get tokens on a daily basis. The earlier you get in, the better. And they will both reap the benefits of MeMusic's ecosystem's growth, but also contribute to said growth. Now, for streaming and mining, you're gonna get rewards, right? We have seen 40% of the entire token supply is allocated for that, and that is for node holders to mine. Additional rewards in form of airdrops, as well as exclusive access to their events, plus an airdrop, for example, would be the initial profile page collection in the form of NFTs. Then anyone can host a live rumor upload recordings on stations, but they can also be a decentralized label, so you can provide services for other creators. Initial price is going to be $4.99 per note, with 30k notes capped for the total supply. So with quick maths over here, which I drew for you, that's about $15 million in notes. You might say, well, if they all sell out, that's a lot of notes, but I want to have my rewards. Some of the other note programs that we participated in before, they have more than 30k notes. Some have 40, 50, up to 100,000 notes, and you could buy more than one. Plus, at that price, for a note, I would generally say that's pretty fair. Like Sonoris was 600, Delysium was 1.2k, initially up to 2,000, and Gala Games right now is like 112,000 per note. So, just from a point of view for notes, I'll probably get 1 or 2 or a couple more. Notes are already available for purchase on the Binance Smart Chain, for which you need 499 USDT, and here's what you would do. You select Connect Wallet, in my case I would use MetaMask. My wallet is connected on there, and you can see 0 station notes, no holding rewards, no referral rewards so far. If I want to buy one, I click on Buy Note, 1, agree, and you have to use the referral code. In my case, my code is Melos, so I can refer myself, and if you want to buy one as well, feel free to use that code, I wouldn't mind. Hit purchase, then your MetaMask is going to open up. It will ask you, do you want to make that purchase? Confirm. It takes a couple seconds, this one loads, and then you officially purchased a station node successfully. So if you now refresh, you will see you own one station node, and your rewards are going to show up down there. Keep in mind, the token again launches next month, so until then you can simply accumulate the token before it goes live. On the website they also link to the white paper, so if you want to read about everything we just talked about in pretty pictures, you can do that as well with the different faces they have and the market opportunity. But let's move over to the actual site. So when you're over here, you can read the white paper or you can join the beta. When you sign up, link is down below as well, it is going to look like this. Discover new recorded stations for you. If you click on show all, you can see everything available. Let's say we click on Castle. You would see the duration, 2 minutes 18 seconds. Hit listen, and this track, for example, is available for purchase, but it hasn't been bought. But keep in mind, the site up there says beta.memusic.io. This is not the finished website. This is simply how it looks like at the moment. Also, a personal plus point is that for the screenshot of any group they could have picked is they used Bring Me the Horizon, so good choice. 2 weeks ago, they had this song called Kool-Aid. If you haven't listened to it, I'd recommend. And with all the technology of Web3 and artificial intelligence and using music as an investment class, this could be something for you guys as well. Now, they had the initial idea in 2019, so they've been around for at least 5 years. And when you make it through one bear market, into a bull market, into another bear market, and then the next bull run is going to start fairly soon, and your project survived the entire time while you kept building, I would generally say that it's a good underlying fact. Backed by a bunch of big names, 16 mentioned over here. If you want to join the beta, again, link is down below. Maybe read about some of the articles over here on their Medium page, or simply participate in the giveaway. It's simple steps, follow them, join the Telegram community, register on stations, all of that. In the worst case, you learn about the project and you might win $200. If we think about this year overall, one of the main narratives besides gaming is going to be airdrops, and for me as a focus it's nodes. This one has nodes with additional airdrops moving forward. If this would be a dating profile on Tinder, I would see 2 green flags and super like that immediately. The token is going to get listed next month, so I will definitely keep you up to date on how everything goes in here. But whenever you guys ask, can we hear about something early? Why do you only mention projects that have already been around? Me. Here you go. This is something early. Check it out. Not financial advice. And until next time, take care.